Good morning, family. I'm cooking breakfast for myself. Hubby usually cook it, but I'm doing it today, business boss housewife. And I'm doing some scrambled egg with some baby spinach, and I add a little onion powder, banana pepper, black pepper, extra virgin oil, and I cut up my peppers so they won't be lumpy. And at the end, I add some parsley. Now you could do it as scramble, or you can do it as a omelet. I don't know what I'm gonna do it at. Depends on what it come out to be. But I tell you what, you guys, if y'all use this extra vinegar oil, this stuff get hot so fast. And then I'm gonna throw a little honey with it. But to go back to this oil, it gets hot, hot, hot. I know it's good for you, and I hate really cooking with it because it gets too hot. I don't like nothing that gets that hot. Before you get started, it start burning before you can cook. But that's the spinach. Just take your spinach. Sometimes I put blueberries in them. Look how pretty. You know this tastes good. It look good. If it look good, it tastes good. Put a little onion powder. And I put my banana peppers. And then I put a little bit of honey. Drop a little honey. Drop just a little. And if you're looking for something to keep your eggs in order, I always love these from Home Good. So that's what we're gonna do. I got my flipper so I can flip it. It says bake it, but we're not baking today. And my spatula and everything ready to go. And I'm ready, so let's see what we're gonna do. Put the grease on, just a little oil. Get hot. I'm gonna put it in there before it get too hot because it steams, and I don't want my eggs burnt. But just a little oil. And mix it up some more. Oh, it's hot. Look at that. Let's put a little tab and then it's ready. And then put your little black pepper. Let the black pepper be last. And you guys, let's put it in. Think it's hot? Do you think it's hot? Yes, indeed, it's hot. And then we just take the rest and scoot it to the side. I don't have it on a stand, so I have to use one hand. And let's see what they do. Look how pretty. It look like you want to make an omelet. What y'all think? You think you want to make an omelet? And you know what's good in eggs? Mushrooms is good. I do a lot of mushrooms and eggs. And I do blueberries and raspberry. You talking about good. And after it's done, what I do, I put me some nuts on the side of it. These are real good. Real good. And I snack with these if I get hungry. Slacking up on sweets, so I had to find a substitute. But it looked like it wants to do a omelet. Let me turn it up a little. If that's what it want to do, let's do it. I love cooking. I love family. Look at that, y'all. Look how pretty. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Happy home, happy wife. Happy life. I'm blessed to be up this morning. Feeling great. Took a little bit more. Not hard enough for me to flip it. And I thank God for another blessed day and hoping everyone have a great weekend. I'm gonna be doing more cooking now. We wasn't home for 2 months because we had a home fire and we had to move out for 2 months and something. So now we're back home and I'm gonna start getting everything together. I'm still unboxing things, and Service Master was great. They came in and took everything that we own, cleaned it. What could not be salvaged, they threw it away, and of course State Farm pay you for it if you have insurance. And they bring it all back on hangers. Every clothes that I have, I mean clothes that I didn't even wear, was cleaned by State Farm, pressed professionally. Every rug, every dish, every towel, I mean everything I own, the knobs, everything on the cabinets. When I say these people do a clean up job, they clean up. All I had time to do was grab my purse out of here and get my jewelry, and that was it. Everything else they came in and they restored, cleaned, threw away a lot of stuff. So I had to get new curtains, chairs. It's a lot. I tell you that it's a lot whenever you have a smoked out fire. It's a lot. Thank God it's just me and my husband, so it wasn't a lot that we had to do because we didn't have to move the elderly parent or anything. But if my mom was here, it'd have been, oh my God, with her with dialysis, I don't know what I would have did. But look, you guys, I'm gonna be cooking more because I'm back home, and it's turning into an omelet. And I thank all my Louisiana people that called and checked on me. I didn't say much on YouTube, but the yard and everything, the grass is coming back real nice. It started from the outside. Someone asked me that it started from the outside. And where we live at is a lot of trees. So once a fire starts, it just spreads. It was spreading like a forest fire. It was bad. They said someone had put some cigarettes down on the ground, and that's how the fire started. Thank God I was home. But State Farm do a damn good job. You get you some State Farm insurance, you will be taken care of 100% replacement costs. 100% replacement cost. Do you hear me? 100% replacement cost. You know what that means? Get you some good insurance. I don't care if you in a mobile home or Airbnb, an apartment, a townhouse. Get you some content insurance. That's all I can tell you. No matter where I'm at, I always keep insurance. Homeowner insurance, content insurance, everything I need, I put it. Even on your rental properties, get some content insurance, because you never know what's gonna happen. That grass was so dry, it caught a fire so fast. But like I said, thank God it's just me and my husband here. But just think about if I had kids, I'd have had to get all that stuff together, buy clothes and everything else. Oh, it would have been a hassle. And most of my stuff I gave away to Goodwill, because a lot of it I couldn't fit. A lot of it is way too big. It was clothes I had from the corona when I gained like 15 pounds during that time, 2021. So I gave a lot of the stuff away, and those people were so appreciated. I gave my mom all my mama furnitures to Goodwill when she passed, her bedroom sets and all that. I gave all that away. And I gave it to also a lady that had a fire in Memphis. Because Karen is sharing. I didn't need it. It's just me and my husband. We don't need much. What we need is just us. It's just him and I. Just him and I. We don't have a lot of company. We go visit, come home, and go on vacation. I don't have no women in and out my home. I just don't get down like that. And we keep a happy home like that. I meet my friends, visit my friends out of town. One of my girlfriends is in Texas. I got to go see her. She bought a nice big home. So I'm going to visit her soon as everything gets straight. And I just don't do a lot of mixing and mingling. There's too much out there. And women are so envy and jealous. So you have to watch your surrounding. And a lot of times when people see you, look how pretty, y'all. That is good. Look at that. See, you with a good marriage, or they try to come into that. They get the call and you're trying to find out where you stay, what you got, what you bought. Just nosy bullshit that I don't have time for. Don't call nobody next nobody about their business. Mind your own damn business. Find you some business. Get some business. So I don't let nobody come between my happy home. Not even family, children, nobody. I keeps my home happy. So this is what I have. Look at that. See, that's what I like. And see, I'm going to eat this here right here. And then for my snack later, I'm going to eat that. And then I might nibble on this here while I'm washing clothes and stuff like that. Might take me a walk. Might go to the pool. Get in the pool or something like that. Because the pool is open. So I might go get in the pool. So I might do that. Very beautiful pool. Go do that. And I might go to the clubhouse. So we also have a food truck that comes every Monday and Wednesday. It's for just the people that live here. And I mean, that guy be throwing down on them doggone wings. He have a wing truck. So we go out there. They have balloons. And we go Monday and Wednesday. It just started last week. So we have a lot that we can do right at home. That's why I love it. I love it. I love it here. Everything I need is right here. I don't have to leave for anything. 10 minutes from all the shopping stores. So I love it. It's quiet. Very beautiful. I just love it. And I thank God every day for having a happy home and the food on my table. I thank God for all the little things in life. Look how pretty. So that's what I'm going to have, you guys. And I'll be back with more cooking. Like and subscribe. And it is Business Boss Housewife. Because I'm a boss and I'm a housewife. And also it's BTL912 on Instagram. And I have an old page with BTL911 where I post a lot of family stuff with the children. And my YouTube that I'm going to start back billing on is Brenda Teal 911. The pretty girl with the up style. That's me. Love you guys. Have a blessed weekend.